Exactly. Yeah, you build it, you own it. Whereas, a sales guy used to work, a person I used to work with, there's no such thing as a free kitten, right? So,
Yeah.
and absolutely, and so, we're seeing that, right? In terms of, I mean, it is amazing what can be created, but it's the iceberg thing or whatever. The cost of ownership of that thing is the operational part, right? And so, I think that the mindset is shifting to that. Where we're at right now, because you're right, a lot of business users aren't going to care, right? They'll make it work, right? And I don't care, right?
Yeah.
But if we can, sort of meet those folks too, like I said, I mean, there's other audiences that are, the great thing about logs is that they have a lot of this. I mean, a lot of the time, for example, they could tell a customer success person what's impacted, or if their customer's impacted, or what's, in terms they can communicate to their customers. So that the logs sort of drive multiple constituents, right? That may need the problem defined in a slightly different way or slightly different language. The developer obviously may need a certain language. The ops person might need a different language. The customer success person might need it framed up slightly differently. But it's coming from a lot of the same raw materials, right? And that's sort of interesting because there's an interesting sort of consolidation thing here, right? We've had a lot of historically, I guess it's sort of unfolding in front of our eyes, but we've had a lot of products which have been very verticalized, right, or focused on a very specific use case and persona, and a lot of the products use the same, again, same raw materials.